Once you've got your plans done, you can add links into them. So you'll see for one of the discussions we're doing, we're going to watch a quick commercial and then talk about finding common places. So I've linked the commercial. If I want to add a link to my plans, the process is pretty simple. So I'm going to link my student survey here. I have it open in another tab. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select send so I can grab the link, and I'll choose the little link button from my form. And all I'm going to do is press copy. I'm not going to give the actual web address in the link. I'm linking text, so I don't need to shorten it. And now I just need to go back to my plans, highlight the text that I want to link, and then I can choose this little link icon from the top, or I can go to insert, and then I can choose link down here. The shortcut is Control K. When I'm ready, I'm just going to Control V to paste that long link in there and apply. And now my link should be live. Once you see it's blue, you can always click on it to test it. Here it shows me it's linking to a Google Doc, just like it shows me it's linking to my YouTube Olive Garden commercial. So I know that both of them are working. Now, if I want to check and see that my students are actually interacting and looking at the plans, I can check my viewer statistics by using this little arrow button at the top. So if I click it, only you have the option to look at your viewer trends. This is only for the editors of the documents. So here I can see when people I shared this document directly with looked at it, or I can choose all viewers, and this way I can see the last time my students accessed the document. This is very helpful, especially in terms of data collection when you're going to do parent-teacher conferences, or if you notice a student's work is dropping off, you can go back, look at the plans, and check the viewer trends, and maybe that might be a key as to why they're missing assignments, things like that. If you have any questions, please let me know.